Local news for Thursday, the 23rd of January. Ongoing dry conditions have forced a ban on sprinklers in Masterton, with garden watering limited to handheld hoses only until the level of the Wainoa River improves. The council is continuing to implement water conservation measures, including spending around $40,000 a year on leak detection, using non-potable bore water to irrigate sports parks, and has introduced drought-resistant plant species in public spaces. The Royal New Zealand Air Force Band have announced 3 dates to tour next month, one of which will be in Carterton on the 27th. The following Wednesday will also see a New Zealand visit for a Wairarapa visit, for the New Zealand Symphony Orchestra. And this Sunday, the Carterton Summer Street Party will take place. Rained out last year. It's on from 4 o'clock outside the event centre in Holloway Street. And at 3 o'clock, the community garden will officially be opened by Mayor Greg Lang. Finally, in sport, the Southeast Saya Wairarapa Kurus are at home on Saturday, the final round of the Shrimpton Trophy. The match gets underway 11 a.m. at Masterton's Queen Elizabeth Park. And Patrick Rimedy has been named as coach of the New Zealand Junior 19 Men's Elite Development Team for the 2020 World Elite Sprint Championships with Wakaama. Well done, Paddy. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.